Hey, so today we'll be setting up the bots for PoolTogether. There are three types of bots: the yield liquidation bot, price claimer bot, and the draw auction bot. We can set up all three bots using one GitHub repository by Underthesea. github.com/underthesea/pooltogether v5 node. All we need to do is clone this repository and follow the readme file, and we can do it in 15 minutes. I'll show you step by step how to set up the bots. The first step is to install Node and Yarn in your system if you don't have already. You can do that by following the links given. To check if you have installed in your system, you can just type node-v and yarn-v to check the version. Once you have them installed, the next step is to download the repository. You can do it using the zip file, or you can do it using git clone. Once you have the repository set up, you need to open an IDE like Visual Studio Code. Here, you need to open the path of that repository. Once the IDE is open, you have to open a new terminal and install Yarn just by typing yarn. Once it is installed, the next step is in the readme file. You just have to copy this line to copy the environment variable file. Now in this file, we have to fill these three variables. Alchemy key. You just have to go to dashboard.alchemy.com/apps. Here, you have to create a new app on optimism chain. Type in any name and create the app. Once you create the app, you have to click on the API keys, copy this key and paste it. For the wallet and private key, if you already have a wallet, you can paste it here, or you can generate a new wallet using node tools/newWallet.js. Once you create this wallet, you have to save the address, the mnemonic, and the private key. Just copy the address, paste it here, and copy the private key and paste it here. Now you need to put some Ethereum in this wallet address and pool if you want to do liquidation. After this, just save the file, and that's it. You're ready to go. All you need to do now is run node claimer.js. So if you type in node claimer.js, it should run the bot, and that's it. Now you can run the price claimer bot. To run the liquidation bot, all you need to do is first allow liquidation using node tools/approveLiquidationRouter.js. Once done, you can just copy node liquidator.js and run it. And now the liquidator bot is also running. This way you can set up the PoolTogether bots in under 15. And if you have any queries, you can always join the Discord using the link on the website right here. On the Discord channel, go under incentives, ask your doubts, and anyone can help you. So thanks for watching. Bye.